fire in my sight. If I want you to jump inside the ring of fire, tell me, where will you prefer to jump?
The center point.
Center point.
This
From
is
center
called,
point.
this is called central tendency. What is central tendency? The tendency to be at the center. And why did you prefer the center? Because the risk is very low. Am I right? Because
Yes.
you know it's a ring of fire. The outer ring is burning, so temperature will be high. So when I jump through the center, my risk of being hit by the temperature will be very low, and that is why all of you wanted here. And now I want you to jump 10 times repeatedly. I want you to jump 10 times repeatedly. Tell me, will you jump repeatedly through the same point? Not
No.
possible. Not
As per
possible.
the fire.
Not possible.
Not possible. So I know that. I give you a tolerance. I instead of a point, now I give you a, make it a circle. Now I want you to jump 100 times. 100 times you have to jump. Can you make all 100 jumps within the white circle?
No.
Now it is difficult. So what? So now you are finding it difficult. So what do we understand here? Initially we are capable. Like one jump you jumped it, and 10 jump also you jumped it. But when I want you to jump 100 times, then you accept it. No, sir, it is not possible. Same thing will be possible in any business also. You can produce fewer number of parts beautifully. You can serve fewer number of customers beautifully. But can you do it the same way for millions of customers? That's where the challenge comes. That's where you need to measure your capability. Here initially you are capable, but when I want you to jump 100 times, some of you would have jumped outside the white circle. Now you are in the yellow zone. Now you will start feeling the temperature, right? And some of you could have jumped in the orange zone. Now those of you who are falling in the orange zone, they will feel more temperature. Now what do you understand? As you keep moving away from the center, your risk is increasing. Am I right?
Yes.
As you keep moving away from the center, your risk of being hit by the temperature is increasing. Now, two things are very important in anything you are doing. Now it is jumping inside the ring of fire. You must jump in the center. Why center? Because center is your target. Center is your target because that point you have less temperature. So central tendency will tell you where is your target. Whether your target is at the right place or wrong place, you understand by locating the central tendency. Central tendency in any process can be located statistically by calculating mean, median, and mode. So it is very important all of you understand the difference between mean, median, and mode. And similarly, the more you deviate from the center, the more the risk you are running. This is called inconsistency, or otherwise statistically called variation. More the variation, more will be the risk, and more will be your process inconsistency. So the variation can be measured using statistical parameters like range, standard deviation, and variance. What is range? Maximum
Minus minimum.
Very good. And standard deviation we are going to learn, and square of the standard deviation is variance. And now morning, madam also touched this point. Car parking. You can't park the car at the same place. Now I'll put it in a different way. Imagine you have a parking area where the width is capital D. You've got 3 different cars. One car is bigger, one car is medium, and the third car is very small. Now, if you have got a bigger car, will you be able to park it inside?
We can, but it will damage.
Yeah, it will definitely your car will damage. You can't take the car inside, right? But second case, car and parking area say almost same size. Now you can take the car inside, but
Unable to open the door, sir.
Yeah, you can't open the door. Small mistake if you do while driving, that will damage your car. Am I right?
Yes.
That means how can you run a business without even small deviation? That is impossible. Even if you automate your process, then also some deviation, some variation will be there. So The third scenario is your car is very, very smaller and parking area bigger. And now you can park the car easily. Even if you do small mistake, then also you can park the car without damages. Is it logical? So which situation is better here? For 1 or 2 or 3? The third one is better. This is what you need to create in your organization also, in your company also. Here the parking area width is nothing but the customer tolerance. The width of the car is the process tolerance. You must understand what is the customer tolerance and process tolerance. If you keep your process tolerance thicker or wider than the customer tolerance, you are creating this kind of situation. You are going to damage your output. But if you keep your process tolerance smaller than the customer tolerance, you are creating a healthier scenario for your organization. All right. So now one more example. Imagine you are driving, you are a pilot